In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Portfolios with full tutorial on its AI features. First off, let's get started by enabling AI in your workspace. It's important to ensure that your current plan supports these AI features, which are available on both the advanced and enterprise plans. If you're unsure whether Asana Intelligence is already active, check with your admin to enable it. This will set you up to fully utilize AI enhanced efficiency in your workflow. Moving ahead, let's talk about utilizing smart status updates. Begin by opening your project and navigating to the status update section. Here, you'll see an option to generate a status update with AI. When you click on Generate with AI, Asana will craft a draft update for you. This draft pulls in key information such as the percentage progress of the project, any open questions that need addressing, and potential blockers or risks. Feel free to tweak and edit this draft as necessary before you go on to publish it for your team to see. In the project view, there's a feature called Ask AI. This tool is incredibly useful for getting quick answers. Simply type in a query such as, "What tasks are overdue?" or "What's blocking this sprint?" and the AI will scan through your project to deliver an immediate response. This saves you valuable time otherwise spent on manual searches. Next, let's move on to creating SMART goals. Head over to the Goal section and click on New Goal. Here, the AI can suggest structures for your goals, propose metrics to track your progress, and even check for duplicates to help you avoid setting overlapping objectives. It's a seamless way to ensure that your targets are aligned and well organized. Now, let's explore the Smart Projects and Summaries feature. When initiating a new project, select AI Project Setup. The AI will offer suggestions for task templates, phases, and dependencies, helping streamline your project from the get-go. For projects that are already underway, you can use the Summarize function to obtain quick highlights of your project's status, such as the number of tasks completed or those currently at risk. In addition, automation can significantly boost your productivity. You can do this through AI Studio. Access it by going to Tools and selecting AI Studio. Choose workflows like triaging requests or assigning tickets. Set up rules such as automatically assigning tasks labeled as bug to the development team and adding a due date, or generating a summary and checklist whenever a document is uploaded. This automation allows you to focus on what truly requires your attention. Finally, you can enhance your AI capabilities by connecting it to files and links. Attach relevant documents from Google Drive, OneDrive, or SharePoint, and include web links in your tasks. The AI can read, summarize, or extract useful information directly from these sources, further integrating and streamlining your project management process. By following these steps, you'll be maximizing the potential of Asana Portfolios with AI features to elevate your project management game.